Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name is Kevin, and today is part of our series on the little things make a difference. What we're going to be talking about today are the stealth LED turn signals and running lights. And it's just a strip of LEDs that go right on here, and they operate as running lights until you put your turn signals on, and then they're a turn signal. Turn signal off, back to running lights. I like them a lot because they're stealth, they're very unobtrusive. When the light's off, when they're on, they're very visible. It greatly improves your likelihood of being seen by cages because the light's just a little bit different than what they're normally used to seeing. They come in different sizes for different size forks. It's one of the little things that make a difference, make your bike different, make you more visible, and it's just I think it's a really nice mod. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It's free and we'd appreciate it a lot. Hit that notification bell so you know when we come out with a new video. And share the video with your friends. They might be interested in this also. You all ride safe out there.